So by using equation 18.1, percentage change in EBIT divided by percentage change in sales. Even in both the cases, if we do it,
paid applications, right?
the degree of operating leverage would be same. Okay, if we consider the case of increase in sales, so percentage change in EBIT is 100% divided by the percentage change in sales is 50% is equal to 2. The degree of operating leverage is 2. Okay, it's a favorable leverage. And in case 2, where the sales have declined by 50%, the percentage change in EBIT was 100%. The percentage decrease in EBIT was 100% divided by, okay, the percentage change in sales, okay, which is minus 50%. Answer is same 2. But this degree of leverage, okay, degree of operating leverage in case 2 is unfavorable because it has reduced the earnings before interest and taxes because the sales have declined. Okay, or we can also calculating the degree of operating leverage from equation 2.2, 18.2. Degree of operating leverage is equal to the total contribution at base level divided by EBIT at base level. So what is this is the base level. Okay, so what is the contribution in base level? 1 lakh rupees. And what is the EBIT in base level? EBIT in base level is 50,000 rupees. So contribution in base level 1 lakh rupees divided by EBIT in base level is 50,000 rupees. So 1 lakh rupees divided by 50,000 rupees is equal to 2. Okay, so anyway, you calculate the degree of operating leverage will be 2 in this case. Okay, now at the PG level, let us analyze and understand. Let's not blindly write the answer and forget it without knowing what does it mean. If I say degree of operating leverage is 2, what does it mean? Okay, pay attention everyone. Since degree of operating leverage is greater than 1, operating leverage exists. Say if your answer is less than 1, including 0.9, remember you cannot round it off to next digit in this case, only in this case. Okay, so if the degree of operating leverage is less, okay, if the degree of operating leverage is greater than 1, operating leverage exists. So in this case, since it is a 2, greater than 1, operating leverage exists. If your answer is less than 1, that is 0.9 and below, okay, so it means operating leverage does not exist. In example 18.1, which we just solved, every 1% change. So what does this mean? Degree of operating leverage is 2 in this case. What does it mean? Okay, it means for every 1% change in sales, there will be a 2% change in EBIT, the direction in which sales change. Okay, is it true? Let's just check. Okay, so 1% increase in sales, it says would result to 2% increase in EBIT. Okay, let's see. In case 1, the sales have increased from 2,000 units to 3,000 units. It means the percentage increase in sales is 50%. Okay, so if the degree of operating leverage is 2 in this case, it means the EBIT should increase by 100%, just double. Yes, it is true. Okay, the EBIT from base level has increased from 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees, which is 100% increase. So a 50% increase, okay, in sales has resulted in 100% increase in EBIT, or 1% increase in sales would lead to a 2% increase in EBIT. I hope you understand it is correct. Okay, then if, okay, this 1% change in sales, there will be a 2% change in EBIT, the direction the sales change. So what we considered now of case 1 is increase in sales. Is it also true when the sales decrease, that 1% decrease in sales will lead to a 2% decrease in EBIT? Let's check it out. Yeah, so in case 1, the sales are decreased from 2000 units to 1000 units, a 50% decrease. Okay, so the EBIT have base level have decreased to 0. Yes, 100% decrease in EBIT. Yes, it is true. A 1% decrease in sales has resulted in 2% decrease in EBIT. So 50% decrease in sales has resulted in 100% decrease in EBIT. Okay, so I hope you understand it is equal to 1 and this is equal to 2 in mathematical terms. Okay, if we divide it, you will understand. In Kannada, simply 500 5 So 1% decrease in sales has resulted to 2% decrease in EBIT. Okay, this is what is the meaning of operating leverage. Larger the fixed operating cost, the higher is the firm's operating leverage. Okay, and its operating risk. So it doesn't mean that the company should go on increasing the fixed operating cost, because it will, along with the firm's operating leverage, it also increases the operating risk of the firm. So what is the operating risk? Operating risk is risk of the firm not being able to cover its fixed operating costs if the sales are not enough. Okay, and the company deploys a heavy amount of fixed operating cost. In such a case, okay, the operating risk will be very high. As the sales are low and operating costs are high, the company will not be able to cover all the fixed and variable costs. High operating leverage is good when sales revenues are rising. So please remember, high operating leverage is good when sales revenues are rising. So a company whose sales revenues are continuously increasing can deploy more of fixed operating costs and they can leverage it well. So a high operating leverage is good when sales revenues are increasing or rising, and a high operating leverage is bad when the sales revenues are falling. This is just now what we illustrated from that example. So the forum is open for any questions. So the way we learned in theory, 100% exactly it is illustrated in the example. And we also learned how to calculate degree of operating leverage. Yeah, the forum is open for questions. Any questions? No questions?
No, sir.
Sir, no, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Then just let me quickly share this page. Okay. Oh my, how to find that? Yeah. Students, can you see this Dalal Street Investment Journal page?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you see who is on top now? Yeah, who is it?
Swati, sir.
Yeah, second is Vedesh, third is still me. I'm in top 3. Yeah, so let's see how many students have joined the contest. This is page 3. Great. Okay. So this is page 2 and this is page 3. Okay, page 3 is not uploading. Okay, forget it. Anyway, I'll share it later after the class.
Scroll up, sir.
Yeah. It is there. Sorry. Thank you. 46 students have joined. It is including me. Means 45 students have joined. Another 16 students have to join. I don't understand what is, okay, they are not able to understand. They can take help of other friends who have already joined. It is easy to join, okay. By today, I want all 61 in the contest. That's it, okay. So yeah, that's it. And now whose class you have next? Hello.
Sir, director sir class sir, Prakash sir.
I will just request sir for 5 minutes until I take attendance, okay.
Sir.
Please stay in the class. I'll inform sir. Oh. Okay. His phone. Hello. Sir. Just please give me 5 minutes. I'm taking attendance. You have class, I think. Now the siren has played, sir. Just 5 minutes, sir. Only 5 minutes. 3:35. They will be able to join. Thank you, sir. Hello. Yeah, you can after giving attendance you can log out, okay, and join sir's class. I have taken permission. Yeah, Abhijit.
Yes, sir.
Abhishek.
Present, sir.
Alain.
Present, sir.
Amrut. Anagha.
Present, sir.
Anusha Kautekar.
Present, sir.
Anusha Achari. Anushri. Ashwini. Anushri is present.
Yes, sir.
Ashwini.
Absent, sir.
Asra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, those who have given attendance, you can log out and join sir's class. Swati.
Present, sir.
Balappa. Bharti.
Present, sir.
Chinmayi.
Present, sir.
Deepa.
Yes, sir.
Doddabasaya. Ganesh.
Present, sir.
Iranna.
Sir.
Shrikant. Karthik.
Sir, Ganesh present, sir.
Ganesh is marked present.
Sir, present, sir.
Yeah, then Irana is marked present. Shrikant is absent. Karthik is present.
Sir, Anusha Achari present, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
one.
sir.
Anusha Achari is present. Okay. Karthik is also present. Then Lakshmikant.
Yes, sir.
Manjula.
Yes, sir.
Manjunath.
And sir.
Muttawa.
Sir, Manjunath present.
Manjunath present. Muttawa. Not present. Nagamegha. Absent. Nagaraj.
Sir, present, sir.
Nagaraj is present. Nagashri.
Muttawa, sir.
Muttawa is present. Okay, thank you. Then Nagashri. Nagashri not present. Sakshi.
Present, sir.
Pawan.
Present sir.
Pavitra.
Present, sir.
Pooja Ballari. Pooja Jian.
Present, sir.
Pooja Kadam.
Present, sir.
Purna, Pradnya,
Present, sir.
Praveen,
Present, sir.
Puneet, Rakesh,
Present, sir.
Ruchita,
Present, sir.
Keshav,
Present, sir.
Sahana,
Yes, sir.
Samiksha, Sanjana,
Sanjana present, sir.
Sanjana present. Thank you. Then Sankalp,
Present, sir.
Sanket Kumar,
Present, sir.
Shilpa MN.
Sir, Pooja ji and present, sir.
Yeah, Pooja Jain is marked present. Then Shilpa MN is present. Shilpa Ganji,
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
Shivakumar.
Sir, Shivkumar was present, sir.
Yes, thank you. Shruti,
Present, sir.
Saurabh,
Present, sir.
Srujana,
Yes, sir.
Suman. Suman is not there. Then Sumukh,
Yes, sir.
Sumukh, Sushmita. Sushmita is not there. Swati,
Present, sir.
Tabassum,
Yes, sir.
Uday Kumar.
Uday Kumar was
Oh, he was there. Yes, thank you. Vaishnavi, absent. Varsha,
One particular client
Present, sir.
of
Videsh,
in a list or something
Present, sir.
a particular date range in a list.
Nishad.
So you want to search for a specific item, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. If anybody has skipped
Sir,
attendance, please
Ruchita
let me
present,
know.
sir.
Yeah, Ruchita.
Sir, Muttava present, sir.
Yeah, Muttava is marked present. Then Rujana, right?
Ruchita, sir.
Ruchita, sorry. Yeah, Ruchita is also marked present. Okay, thank you. Please join the next class immediately.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice